Things change. And that is just what today's story is about. For many thousands of years, we knew about diamonds, but they were not the most precious stones, until about a century ago. That is, when we were told that they were valuable, we believed the things that the marketing people told us, even when there are other, much more pretty stones. For about 200 years, we believed that diamonds were the hardest thing, but now that has changed. For more than one half of a millennium, people tried to make diamonds in the laboratory, and there was no success, but that has changed. It was on January 12th, in 2004, that Joe Boyd's life changed. He died. But Joe changed things, while he was alive. Joe was a geologist, who first made artificial, or synthetic diamonds in his laboratory, in the 1960s. Since then, many others have come up with ways to make diamonds, much to the horror of those who convinced us that diamonds are a girl's best friend, when in fact, she can wear chocolate for much longer. The people who spent a great deal of money convincing us that diamonds were extra special have gone to great lengths to protect their investment. Just like Velveeta can't be called cheese, it has to be called cheese food. And ice cream with less than 10% milk fat has to be called something other than ice cream. Artificial diamonds have to be called something other than diamond, but they are still diamonds. A couple of fellows in Mexico have come up with a process for growing diamonds using cheap tequila. It has just the right amount of hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon to grow useful diamonds that can't be called diamonds. A Russian general, whom I met a few years ago, was given the responsibility of getting rid of warehouses of old Soviet explosives, so he developed the process of using it to make diamonds. He even gave to me some of his fake, but real diamonds. And according to the late Billy Joe Shaver, I'm just an old chunk of coal, but I'm gonna be a diamond someday. Diamonds are made up of one of the most common things in the universe. Carbon. Carbon can be thought of as the duct tape of the universe, because it bonds to a great many things. Scientists believe that there are stars out there that have really large diamonds as their core. These diamonds would be larger than Earth. We used to believe that diamonds were the hardest thing, but that too changed a few years ago when we discovered another thing that can be done with pure carbon. We can make graphene with it. Graphene is harder than diamond, and right now is way more expensive too, because we have to grow it in the laboratory. I will bet anyone $1 that graphene will be a game changer in the next few years. Encourage innovation.